Haka jingja ka basungsi kaling sun Sukhoi 30 MKI jong ka Indian Air Force kalahap no haka por badangle yaka jinghikai training ka baman kasi haka district Karbi Anglong ha Assam. Kaling sun kalami na Jorhat Air Base but kaladu no yaki radar haka por kumba nyaulala saupu arbaji janmien. Laong baka jinghap kalaja ha Inglong Ecopi Hills kabahab hapo ka Boka Jant subdivision kumba nriupo kilometer AA na Jorhat. Kinong shnong jong ka shnong ko ki hola kidei ki ba ningkong banpoy hakajaka bahab ka lengsun bat kila pentep ya kaniga jingja shaki bor shnong bat ki bor sarka. Hadin kanila labba kila seino ya ka medyab jong arngut ki pilot na ka lengsun kabala ujor.
Craft was suddenly lost. The fighter jet had disappeared from the radar. Soon after, people living in the Karbi Anglong Hills reported hearing a loud explosion. Some even saw a huge ball of fire lighting up the night sky. Both pilots on board, Squadron Leader Anuj and Flight Lieutenant Parvez Durakar, lost their lives in the tragic accident. The Sukhoi 30 is one of India's most advanced fighter jets, a twin-engine, long-range combat aircraft that forms the backbone of the Indian Air Force, which makes this crash even more shocking. Now investigators are trying to determine what caused the accident, whether it was the technical glitch, weather conditions, or something else. For now, the nation mourns the loss of the two brave pilots who served the skies and the country.